Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Math is where math become easy by Aisha Azhar. Today is our second lecture on Venn diagram, in which we will discuss the operation of union on different type of set like overlapping set, disjoint set and uh, subsets. So before that we will discuss that how many types of operations can be performed on any two sets. There are basically 5 operations that can be performed on a set: union of a set, intersection of a set, difference between the two sets, symmetric difference and complement of a set. In this video we will discuss union of a set in detail. Let's start with the definition of union of a set. A union of two sets A and B is denoted by A union B is the set of all the elements that are in set A and in B, or in both. That is, A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Remember, for union we use the word or, and for intersection we use the word and. Here is an example in which set A contains the element 1, 2 and 3 and set B contains the element 3, 4 and 5. So the union will contain the element of both the set 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like 3 is common in A and B, so this will be written only one time. Common element will written only one time, as elements in sets are unique. First of all, we will discuss union of disjoint set. If the two sets A and B are disjoint, then their union contain all the element in set A and all the element in set B. I have told you in our previous lecture that disjoint set is no element common in both the set A and B, and the set are represented in the Venn diagram by the two disjoint circle. Here is an example in which a set A contains the element A, B and C, and set B contains the element B, D, E, F and G. These both are the disjoint set. In the Venn diagram, their union is shown by the shaded region. The both set A and B will be shaded in this case. In case of overlapping set, there will be some elements common between A and B and their intersection is a non-empty set. So by Venn diagram they are represented by the two overlapping circle, and both the circle along with the overlapping region will be shaded to represent their union, because union contain all the element of set A and B and also the common element between A and B, but we write this common element once, not twice. The last case is subset. If A is a subset of B, then A union B will be equal to B. If B is the subset of A, then A union B is equal to A. Since we have already discussed the definition of a subset, so I think there is no need to explain it further. Here A is a subset of B and A union B is represented by shading all the area of A, that is also including B. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Hopefully this operation of union is clear to all of you with all these types of set: disjoint, overlapping and subset. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.